Hey guys, it's Sarah Bigger-Stewart, founder and CEO of CLOVE and HALLOW, and I'm so excited to be able to share with you one of our newest skincare items. This is called H2Glow, and it is a water-based facial serum that is going to absolutely elevate any skincare routine. What makes this so special? First of all, it's water-based. If you're only using oils in your routine, you're missing out on a key component of your routine by being able to actually hydrate, whereas oils can only moisturize and soften. So the best thing that you can do is use a water-based serum under a facial oil or under a moisturizer in order to hydrate and moisturize and lock in all that goodness with the oil. So this serum is perfect for a variety of skin types. I think almost any skin type could use it in combination with an oil or moisturizer that is suited for their skin type. So dry, acne-prone, sensitive skin, I think will also benefit from this because it plumps and hydrates, but it also has very gentle exfoliation and brightening properties. So the ingredients in here that contribute to the performance would be hyaluronic acid, glycerin, organic willow bark extract, organic licorice extract, vitamin B5, and vitamin B3. All of those ingredients together hydrate, plump, smooth, refine, and brighten your skin. Like I said before, I definitely recommend taking a drop, really probably like 3 to 5 drops, applying all over your face, letting it absorb. It might get a little tacky for about 15 seconds, but you can go right over top of it with an oil or a moisturizer, and that will seal all of the lovely watery hydration into your skin and allow the extracts and active raw materials to really penetrate the skin and do what they need to do. You can sub this into basically any routine. There's no ingredients in here that are going to irritate your skin, so I hope that you give it a try and love it as much as I do.